here is too backward. You need to make it forward than this labeling plate, about 1.5 millimeter. So you could either adjust here the labeling sensor, either adjust this labeling sensor downward so it will move forward, or you could also adjust from the touch screen. I will show you in English. Here you have the setting. Here you have the A label pre-dense lens setting. You need to set this one so that it will come out a little bit more. So based on your label length, you can adjust by these two ways, and make sure here the label will come out than this dispensing plate, about 1.5 millimeter. So you see, if this one is too much, you can adjust it higher, or easy way is to adjust from the touch screen from here. You see. You could see here is a setting, and you could adjust here. If too much, you can adjust it inside, like 20, for example, and then you go back and to put one label out. Press one label out, it will automatically place one label. And after it automatically press one label, you could see, you can take out this label out, and you can see if the position is good. So now the position is about 1.5 mm. If it's okay, then you can stop. If not okay, you can reset the parameter. And then you make one label out to test again.